So our fourth point is regarding the placement of stethoscope. Guys, a very common problem we face that we do not hear the korotkoff sound. It occurs mainly due to the wrong placement of stethoscope bell. To fix this problem, first of all we should palpate the brachial pulse. For this, the doctor should support the elbow of the patient, slightly abduct the arm. The forearm should be flexed and it should be externally rotated. By this, the biceps tendon become prominent and the artery can be felt just medial to this tendon. Now you should place your stethoscope above this point.